Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simple Mind Space. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to take control of their finances and build a brighter future: making your money work for you. Let's be honest, for a lot of us, our money just sits there. Maybe it's in a checking account, maybe it's tucked away in a savings account, earning a tiny bit of interest. But the truth is, it's not really growing, and it's certainly not working as hard as it could be. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just let a valuable tool sit in your garage collecting dust, would you? You'd want to use it, put it to work, and get the most out of it. Your money is the same way. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can help you build a secure and fulfilling life. So what are we doing instead of putting our money to work? We're spending it, of course. And I'm not just talking about the essentials, like rent and groceries. I'm talking about all those little impulse buys, those subscription services we barely use, and those gadgets that end up forgotten in a drawer. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for enjoying the fruits of your labor. But there's a big difference between spending on things that bring you genuine joy and value, and spending on things that just clutter up your life and drain your bank account. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing is risky, or I don't know anything about the stock market. And you know what? That's okay. We all start somewhere. The important thing is that you're willing to learn and take that first step. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. By not investing, you're essentially guaranteeing that your money will lose value over time due to inflation. So let's talk about one of the most powerful tools for building wealth: the stock market. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The stock market can be intimidating. It has its ups and downs, and there's always the risk of losing money. But here's the thing. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently trended upwards. Think of it like a roller coaster. There will be dips and turns along the way, but if you hold on tight and ride it out, you're likely to reach a higher destination in the end. So how does the stock market work? In simple terms, it's a marketplace where you can buy and sell pieces of companies, known as stocks or shares. When you buy stock in a company, you're essentially becoming a part owner, even if it's just a tiny fraction. Now, why would you want to own a piece of a company? Well, because as that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your stock also has the potential to increase. And that's where the magic of wealth building comes in. You see, when you invest in the stock market, you're not just relying on your own hard-earned money to grow. You're tapping into the collective power of thousands of companies, big and small, all striving for success. It's like having a team of financial superheroes working tirelessly to multiply your wealth. But here's the key. Successful stock market investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about trying to get rich quick or chasing after the latest hot stock tip. It's about patience, discipline, and making informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but where do I even begin? Well, the first step is to educate yourself. There are tons of resources available online, from reputable financial websites to educational videos and podcasts, just like this one. Take some time to learn the basics of investing, understand different investment strategies, and familiarize yourself with common financial terms. Once you have a basic understanding, you can start exploring different investment options. One popular option for beginners is index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. Investing in index funds is a great way to diversify your portfolio, meaning you're spreading your money across multiple companies and industries, which can help reduce your overall risk. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground today, but I want you to leave with this. Taking control of your finances and building wealth is not just for financial gurus or Wall Street tycoons. It's for everyone. No matter your income level, your age, or your financial background, you have the power to make smart choices with your money and create a more secure and fulfilling future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that first step today. Educate yourself, explore your options, and start putting your money to work for you. And as always, if you enjoyed this episode, Be sure to subscribe to Simple Mind Space and hit that like button. Until next time, keep those minds sharp and those financial goals within reach.